guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about kitchen. So I will show to you what's inside my fridge and what's inside my cabinet. Okay guys? So guys, now we will open my fridge. So my fridge is only small because I am alone only. So let's open guys. Inside, you will see here my yogurt, hidden cheese, and my ketchup. Then we have here the coconut juice. Actually, I like this brand, but this only one piece. So I got only one, then I buy another brand. So we have 2 coconut juice. We have here the peanut butter, Nestle cream when I'm making cake, and we have here the brownies and our orange juice, our mayonnaise, Nutella, and again our mayonnaise. Right, so mayonnaise and smoothies. Here we have here our, this one is siomai. We have our siomai, our hot dog, tender juicy hot dog. Okay. Then this one is squid balls, and this one is kikiam balls, and this one is my fish. This is the fish. I will not open. I have my fish, and this one is I have chicken. So that is chicken. Now this one I have here my chocolate and my melon and guava, more on fruits, and this is my red grapes, and this one is my cherry, and this one is tofu, and I have here my papaya, and this one is what is this? This is pears, and this one is my kiwi. So I have here more on fruits. So this one we have here the garlic, onion, and ginger. Here, oops, and what is this here? Here we have here the we have here the squash, and cabbage, and broccoli. I put it down. And I have here my grapes, green grapes. Then this one I have here my this is my baby carrots. So I can't eat this one, baby carrots. And I have here my papaya. This is the green papaya. So I have here the papaya. And here is, what is this? This one I have here the cauliflower. And these two is, the big one is my chicken I cooked last time, and the small one is my mixed vegetables. Okay. And down I have here, okay, this one is drumstick leaves, Tagalog malunggay. So this is my favorite. So we have here the kangkong. This is kangkong. And here is the ladyfinger, okra. I have here the eggplant, the carrots, and the cucumber, and the squash, and I have here the lemon and my potato. So that's all what I have inside my fridge. More on fruits and vegetables. Let's see about what inside my cabinet. So inside my cabinet, I have here my food that I was inside my cabinet. So this one, we have here the Nestle cream, the fruit cocktail, and coconut milk, jackfruit for vegetable, and jackfruits. This one is already ready to eat. This is fruits. We have here our corn and rainbow milk, rainbow evap milk. We have our here also the powder, corned beef, and the condensed milk. We have our oatmeal, and we have here, this one is the coconut makapuno in Tagalog. We have here our pasta. This is our pasta. We have our milk, and this is the one this is the dark chocolate. So this is Fuji bar, dark chocolate, and this one is gelatin. So we have white, we have green, buko pandan green, and we have for yellow. So this one yellow I'm using for my mango gelatin, and this one is for buko pandan, and this one sometimes if I like to make it that gelatin with a mixed color, so I'm putting white, yellow, green. And this is our magic syrup, which is I always use while I'm cooking. This is the seasoning. Here we have here the noodles. If you will see, we have 10 packs and 5 packs. By mistake, I like the regular original, the fried noodles, because the other one, this is special, so there's some seasoning. That one is special, so this one I like the original only. We have also here the noodles. It's ready already. Need to put, we'll add only the water. We have, so this is 3 pieces, different flavor. So we have here our pasta, if sometimes I like to cook sopas. And this is the noodles. If I like to cook pancit. And we have here brown sugar in case I want to cook banana cube. And we have here the taro leaves. So I'm not yet tried to cook the taro leaves. Maybe next week I will try. So we have here taro leaves, and we have here the seasoning if I will cook pancit, and we have here the sticky rice. So this is the sticky rice. We have here the chippy, and here is our gray ham. If I like to cook, I like to make the mango gray ham or any type of cake. We have here the 10 packs different. So this dark, I think this is different flavor.
And the other one is with honey. This is with honey. This is chocolate flavor. And this is the crush graham. So that's it. If I want to cook, just I'll open my cabinet. This is all what I have inside. Let's go to the other cabinet. Other cabinet is only I put here is my tea and my cereal. It's inside because it's already open, so I need to make it sure I put it in the Tupperware. This is already the fish cracker I already ate, so I need to put also in the Tupperware. And here is my brownies. So this is all what inside my cabinet. And if you will see, I still have here one cabinet, but this is all my Tupperware, some of the seasonings. There's a honey, salt. So this is and some of the biscuit is still here. The onions I keep here, and there's a tea also. So in Tupperware, and that's all what's inside my cabinet. So that's all what I have. This is my oil, my vinegar and soy sauce, and my rice. So that's all what inside my fridge and my cabinet.